On one shelf at the movie rental store, there are 32 comedies and 24 dramas. What is the ratio of dramas to comedies? Okay, again, I see the word ratio, so I know that it is going to be a ratio question. What's very important is location. Where is the word ratio located? Because it's in the question, I ask myself, what's the first thing that I saw in the question? The first thing that I saw was dramas. So how many dramas were there? There were 24 dramas. And I'm going to be comparing that to the second thing I saw, which was comedies. How many comedies were there? There were 32 comedies. So here's my answer, 24 to 32, which can also be written as 24 colon 32, or it can be written as 24 over 32. Okay. What I notice about my answer is that the smallest number goes first. So I'm going to look at my answer choices and eliminate any answers that the smallest one is not first. So in letter F, 8 is not the smallest. F is wrong. Letter G, 5 is not the smallest. G is out. H, 3 is the smallest. H could be my answer. Letter J, 4 is the smallest. 4 could be my answer. So what I'm going to do next, I'm going to take my answers and I'm going to put it next to the answer choices. I'm going to have 24 here, 32 here. 24 here, 32 here. Next step, I'm going to cross multiply. 32 times 3 is going to be 96. 24 times 4 is going to be 96. They are the same number, same answer. So letter H looks to be my answer. I'm going to just check the letter J now. 32 times 4 is going to give me 128. 24 times 7. We're going to work out right here on the side. 28, 14, 15, 16, 168. I can easily see that those two numbers are not equal. J is not the answer, so our answer of 3 to 4 was correct.